Hey, hi everybody. Just wanted to do a quick analysis of today's budget that was presented by Miss Nirmala Sitharaman. Uh, so a big 6 lakh crore budget. Uh, I watched the entire thing live. So as a middle class person, what can you expect from this budget? So there is actually absolutely nothing in this budget for the middle class income taxpayer. There's absolutely nothing. There has just been policy continuation, and I think basic exemption limit has been hiked to 75,000. I think earlier it was around 50,000 or so. But other than that, there is no change. Everything has been continued as is. So, what is my first impression of this budget? So it's more of a टुकड़े टुकड़े बजट देख सबके लिए थोड़ा थोड़ा यहाँ थोड़ा रेलवेज थोड़ा ये थोड़ा वो देर इज नो सिंगल फोकस एरिया कि बजट को हम इस बार इस डायरेक्शन में लेके जा रहे हैं एंड वी आर फोकसिंग ऑन दीज कोर एरियाज टू एड्रेस दिस इशू देर इज नो फोकस इट्स जस्ट अ वेरी वेग a very random kind of budget 5,000 crore यहाँ 10,000 crore यहाँ इसमें उसमें स्टार टेलीस्कोप एंड व्हाट नॉट so and India में to assign money for telescope and all it's very encouraging but first you need to fix the air pollution because चांद नहीं आपको चांद नहीं दिखता तो आपको तारे कहाँ से दिखाई देंगे so that was a very random thing for me to come कि they are investing in telescope which is a good thing but again they need to address the demon in the room. So other than that, what I've written in my notes, yeah. So I think there was some focus on rare earths, uh, waterways. So what happens with waterways is the political party के जो supporters होते हैं या जो इनका जो गठबंधन होता है so the smaller parties they are given these kind of portfolios water portfolio or waterways portfolio river portfolio so उसमें अगर if you don't assign any budget to those small portfolios then no coalition party will be willing to accept that portfolio because पैसा कमाई कहाँ से होएगा so that is why they have गिवन ये हर 5 साल में आ जाता है कि वाटरवेज को हम वी असाइनिंग दिस काइंड ऑफ मनी दैट काइंड ऑफ मनी इज बेसिकली टू अपीज द कोalition पार्टनर्स हु हैव बीन असाइंड दैट पोर्टफोलियो कि हाँ तुम्हारे लिए भी पैसा है. So apart from that, defense outlay has increased by 21%. So one thing I noticed ki the import of aircraft manufacturing parts for for the defense sector. So I think that has been given a tax exemption. So HAL should benefit from this. The stock hasn't reacted HAL so far, but I think it's a positive for HAL. They will save some tax because they import around 40-50% of their components for Tejas. One big thing that I thought was IT and all ये सब में job losses बहुत बहुत भयंकर वाला हो रहा है. So government should have this time around focused on job losses and tried to create jobs in areas जहाँ large scale unorganized या organized sector में jobs create हो सके. So apart from agriculture sectors like recycling, waste recycling या bio waste से fertilizer conversion production इसमें you can create a very high amount of labor intensive jobs and you can export this. Apart from this, India has a very big mental healing kind of wellness kind of tourism that comes to India. लोग ऋषिकेश जाते हैं उसमें you could have allocated money to focus on this yoga sector or something like that tourism में जहाँ पे wellness can be encouraged and informal jobs create हो सके. Even recycling का भी it's a very big sector. India has a huge waste problem. There's a global e-waste problem. India imports a lot of e-waste and उसमें it's a very labor intensive sector recycling जहाँ पे चीज़ों को sort करना पड़ता है it can be automated, but it's also can be done equally well with labor. So recycling mein they could have focused in a big way, 1 lakh crore, 2 lakh crore, and set up one of the world's largest recycling plants or something like that. That could have created easily 5 lakh, 10 lakh jobs. बट आई थिंक आई डोंट नो विजन का प्रॉब्लम है या बस कैसे कौन सा आईएएस बैठ के ये बजट बनाते हैं. सो हाँ, बजट टू सम इट अप, इट्स लाइक अ बजट ऑफ जैक ऑफ ऑल स्मॉल ट्रेड्स मास्टर ऑफ नन. It's a kind of budget that everyone expected but didn't hope for, but that is exactly what they got. So yeah, that's my short summary of today's budget. I 2-3 साल बचे हैं मोदी जी के. आई डोंट नो क्या आगे. Yeah, let's see. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. It's after a long time.